Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with GBR sir. My name is Basu Raj, an English teacher, and today I am going to explain the summary of the poem Water, written by Challapalli Swaruparani. Before explaining it, those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Well, let's start without any further delay. This poem, water, is powerfully uses as a symbol of exposing the injustice done to the injustice of the caste system in India. The poet Challapalli Swaruparani recounts her personal and community memorial of being a Dalit or an untouchable in a rural village. They had to wait for hours just for a few pots of water from a common well, while upper caste people bathed luxuriously twice a day. The act of drawing water became a source of humiliation with the upper caste individuals, pouring water from a distance to avoid contact. Witness and movement. The poem personifies the water as a silent witness to generations of oppression. For Dalits, water is not simply an H2O, but a mighty movement that has cost many lives in struggles for water access, such as the Mahad protest at the uh, Chowdar tank. Dual nature. The poem also reflects on water's dual nature as both a life giver and a destroyer. The water that is derived, that is denied to the thirsty, can reappear as a killer tsunami, destroying villages without discrimination based on the wealth or caste. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗೋದಾದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.